His Excellency President Mnangagwa remarks yesterday in the Zambia Politburo. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na pangpa inimo brand pamchinsi. A minute of silence for heroes and heroines who passed on silence the last Politburo meeting, and their souls rest in peace. I warmly welcome you to the 393 ordinance session of the Politburo. I recognize and welcome in a special way Genoted Comrade Philibert Wanda. He was known from the liberation struggle as Comrade Gwenzi. I am confident that his experience will advance ongoing work towards growth and development of our party. Under ZANU-PF, our national values, rich knowledge systems continue to anchor ongoing development, modernization, and distribution agenda. Under the Second Republic, government will continue to entrench an environment for women, along with other citizens, to excel in both public and private sector. The appointment of first female Chief Justice and Auditor General is a testament of confidence my administration has in the capabilities of our citizens, including women and youth. Guaranteeing financial sustainability of our party should be everyone's member's responsibility. I expect allocation of party resources and assets to prioritize programs and activities, projects that result in higher impact and visible outcomes. I was pleased to commission the new Verum beverage snacks production line and the Clovers solar project. These projects, among others, investments are evidence of the confidence in our party and government policies. I urge our citizens to celebrate these projects as they benefit everyone and our country. I exhort us to carry on executing the work and responsibility entrusted to us by the party with patriotism and unity of purpose. Leaders should lead by example. I thank you. To my developments and I talk from the Politburo. Now, 6 minutes of bro, any more deep, I'm so patient. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.